Linking your bank account to RunPod is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your transactions efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create or log into your RunPod account. Visit the RunPod website or open the app. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If not, sign up for a new account by providing the required information. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the menu or by clicking on your profile icon. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings, look for an option labeled Payment Methods or Bank Account. Click on this option to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Add your bank account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to RunPod. This will enable you to manage your transactions with ease.